All right, special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this 6-pack of braided microphone extension cables, or XLR cables. Now, there's your little sticker. This is what the bag looks like that you'll receive. And if we open it up, zip the bag, you have included 6 little ties. That's pretty nice to keep your cables nice and neat. And then you have 6 extension cables here. So as you can see, these would essentially plug into each other, but you know, if you have a microphone set up with like a karaoke machine or a recording studio, these would be great. And I love that they're colored. You got a blue one, you got a nice yellow one, and they're all the same type of cable. Got a nice orange one, company logo on it. Got just a black one, nice red one, and my favorite, and the one that I would personally use, is the green one. So each one of these in this 6-pack is 6 feet long, so it would give you 6 extra feet of a microphone or whatever you're plugging into this receiver, etc. And that will essentially do it for this unboxing of this 6-pack of 6-foot XLR microphone extension cables. Again, special thanks to this company for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.